Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. Bonjour, good morning. 10:15 in the morning. I believe this is the 29th of April, the third day of lockdown in France. Now, just going out for a walk. I'm allowed to go for a walk within 1 kilometre of where I live and for a maximum of 1 hour. I reckon I can do more than a kilometre in an hour, but whatever. Now, a few questions and a few observations en route. I'll start off with just a little pan around the view that I have in front of me here. So here goes. Today's video, my third walk in 6 weeks. I'll start with directly north and head round through east to directly south. What a beautiful sight. Wood pigeons, other birds, starlings, swallows. And the forbidden fruit, as it were. Since I was last out here, massive melt of the snow. This is the main piste into the top station here, and really not a lot left. That was about 2 or 3 meters deep when I last looked at it. We had a bit of a storm the last couple of days, and you can see just ahead of me here it's actually snowed. You can see a very light dusting up there. That altitude would be, the peak is around about 2,800, and it's still going up the top of that one. Now, my walk today isn't on roads. I've not gone up the mountain, I'm going down the mountain. And I downloaded something I did on Google Earth just before I left, just to determine the parameters of a kilometre from where I live. Just in case, but out of interest too. Now, that I downloaded as 3D, i.e. allowing for the drop too, not as in horizontal distance. So that's a worst case scenario. But is that right? Is that horizontal distance? Is it walkie distance, as in when I do corners? Or is it, I'm pretty sure it's direct line. And I'm pretty sure it's direct line, as I say, worst case scenario on a 3D basis. Wow. So that's one question that I have. Pretty sure I'm allowed to go on this. It's in winter it's a piste, or a ski piste, but in summer it is actually a recognised walking track. So I'm going down here, I'm going to come back up after, and what I'm going to do is I'll draw on that Google Earth exactly where I went, I put a picture up and I'll draw on that, and that picture's going up on the rollout of this video. Back to snow again. Yeah. Wow. Didn't think I'd be walking on snow today, even if it has melted back a lot. This is signified by the guidance markers that are everywhere. Now, according to my GPS, I've actually just gone 0.4 of a kilometre away from where I live, so I'm well within the parameters going down to the centre station now. So just passed a lady who was heading up the way there, which I'm not doing. I respect, even if I don't know, I don't do. If in doubt, don't. It's an old driving theory of mine as well. But anyway, just a little chat for 5 minutes, and she's telling me about all the animals and stuff that she finds, you know. Just the animals coming out when the humans aren't. Fantastic. I have so many skiing videos of me just sauntering down here on the planks. It's a bit saddening to see all the snow go, but that's natural, it's the end of winter. So just coming out the bottom of the forest bit, just above the main station. Over here we have the mountain with Cravey behind, it's a bit hidden with cloud. And then the parameters of my kilometre is just up behind the luge behind there. So just looking down across, we've got the main station down here, Parc des Écrins behind, and just a beautiful scene. So with the main station directly behind me, this is what's left of the pistes, and I've just come down this path here, this piste, this track, and I'm going to head back up where you can see the postie here. I'm going to head back up the track that goes underneath, over the bridge and up to the Les-Orres 1800. I can hear a few kids playing around just down in front of the building to my left there, but the joy of the bars being closed is that there's nobody here. So I think I'll just stop and have a cigarette break, and I brought a can of juice with me as well. This is magnificent. Take in some rays, facing the sun and checking out the views. Just what a beautiful place. Again, I went just past it, but you can see up here where that's up at about 2,450 to about 2,550. But yeah, last night's rainstorm produced a bit of snow up there, just a little dusting on the black bits. So my half-time break away, and I've reached the limit of my kilometre. This is how they park up all the shares for the new, or the newest, Peak Vert chairlift. Last time I was here, this exact spot was all white, and the road in front of me was just solid ice. What a beautiful place, what a change. Still is beautiful, but really just Bonjour. Just passing others. But really just phenomenal place. Loving this experience today. Glad I gave myself the freedom. There's quite a few folk out walking. Maybe past about 10, 12. Mostly old couples. Just wondering if they stick to the kilometre and 1 hour thing. Maybe not. So just rejoin a little road here. Sort of area just below the 1800, just above the main station 1650. Just an area with small rustic chalets. Really beautiful. Beautiful views, mountain behind, and just an astonishing place. And I've rejoined the birds as well. There's an entranceway. I'll just rejoin a pathway here to go back up to the 1800. Everywhere you can hear the birds, the rivers, the rivulets, and it's just wow factor off the scale. Hopefully you can hear me over this beautiful racket. I'm going to wind up at that because I'm rapidly approaching my hour with the camera stops and stuff. Don't forget, you can subscribe down the bottom right of the screen here. Click on the like thing. Make comments. Share this to people, online, offline. And above all, thanks very much for watching. Your support is much appreciated. Ciao!